Hello guys, good day. My name is Jerlyn Grace D. Balabat from STEM 1210 and I hope you are all doing well. And today's video, I'm gonna make a 3D model plant cell and later on I will explain the parts of the cell. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started!
You should, yeah.
Plant cells are eukaryotic cells that vary in several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. Both plant and animal cells contain nucleus along with similar organelles. One of the distinctive aspects of a plant cell is the presence of a cell wall outside the cell membrane. Just like different organs within the body, plant cell structure includes various components known as cell organelles that perform different functions to sustain itself. These organelles include chloroplast. Chloroplast is an organelle within the cells of plants and certain algae that is the site of photosynthesis, which is the process by which energy from the sun is converted into chemical energy for growth. Cell wall. The primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support to the cell. The plant cell wall is also involved in protecting the cell against mechanical stress and to provide form and structure to the cell. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is those involved in processing the broad range of cellular constituents that travel along the secretory pathway. Ribosomes are complex cellular structures found in all cells and are responsible for making proteins. Mitochondria or mitochondrion are small, organ-like structures inside of cells that are the powerhouse of the cell. These small organ-like structures are known as organelles. Mitochondria take raw material and transform it into a form of energy that the plant can easily use. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, the semi-fluid substance of a cell that is external to the nuclear membrane and internal to the cellular membrane, sometimes described as the non-nuclear content of protoplasm. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, meshwork of fine disc-like tubular membrane vesicles, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells that is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids, including cholesterol and phospholipids, which are used in the production of new cellular membrane. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is distinguished from the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the other basic type of endoplasmic reticulum, by its lack of ribosomes, which are protein synthesizing particles that can be found attached to the outer surface of the RER to give the membrane its rough appearance. SER occurs both in animal and in plant cells. Druce crystal. The main function of Druce crystal in plant cell include high-capacity calcium regulation and protections against hypertrophy. Druce crystals are a common occurrence in many plants and are usually granular or star-like in shape. Vacuole. A vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelle. In plant cells, vacuoles help maintain water balance. Sometimes, a single vacuole can take up most of the interior space of the plant cell. Rapid crystal. A rapid crystal is found in plant cells and has the primary purpose of repelling animals away from plants. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The RER is responsible for protein synthesis, modification, packaging, and quality control. We say that the RER makes proteins, but actually, most of this is done by the ribosomes attached to its surface. These are called membrane-bound ribosomes. One key point to remember is that the RER makes secretory proteins only. Cell membrane. Cell membrane provides protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell, and that membrane has several different functions. One is to transport nutrients into the cell and also to transport toxic substances out of the cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is a highly specialized organelle that serves as the information and administrative center of the cell. This organelle has two major functions. It stores the cell's heredity material, or DNA, and it coordinates the cell's activities, which include intermediary metabolism, growth, protein synthesis, and reproduction or cell division. Nucleolus. The nucleolus is the distinct structure present in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. Primarily, it participates in assembling the ribosomes, alteration of transfer RNA, and sensing cellular stress. The nucleolus is composed of RNA and proteins which form around specific chromosomal regions. And last but not the least, amyloplast. Amyloplasts are plastids or organelles responsible for the storage of starch granules.
And that's it. I've shown you how to make a 3D model of plant cell. Hope you gain knowledge or information about it. And so, that's the end of my vlog. Hope you enjoy and like it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.